Hello and welcome to Book Vibes, the channel where we explore the transformative power of books. And today, I have an incredible book to share with you that has the potential to change your life. We'll be diving into The Magic by Rhonda Byrne, a book that revolves around the life-changing practice of gratitude. So let's get started. The Magic is written by the renowned author Rhonda Byrne, who is widely known for her bestseller, The Secret. In this book, Byrne takes us on a journey of discovering the power of gratitude and how it can transform our lives. The book begins by explaining the importance of gratitude and how it can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. Byrne introduces the concept of the magic formula, a 28-day practice that involves focusing on gratitude in various aspects of our lives. The book is divided into 28 chapters, each representing a day of the magical practice. Each day, Byrne guides us through exercises and techniques to cultivate a deep sense of gratitude in different areas, such as health, relationships, work, and money. What sets the magic apart is that it provides actionable steps and practical exercises that readers can incorporate into their daily lives. It encourages us to shift our perspective and find gratitude even in the smallest things. The book is filled with inspiring stories, scientific studies, and quotes that reinforce the power of gratitude. One of the things I loved about this book is that it encourages readers to keep a gratitude journal. By writing down things we are grateful for each day, we develop a habit of focusing on the positive aspects of our lives. Personally, I've been practicing the magic formula from The Magic for the past month, and I can say that it has made a tremendous difference in my life. By shifting my focus to gratitude, I've noticed a significant improvement in my overall happiness, relationships, and even my health. The Magic is not just a book to read, it's a transformative experience. It teaches us that gratitude is not just an occasional practice, but a way of life. It reminds us to be present, appreciate the present moment, and embrace the abundance that surrounds us. So if you're ready to embark on a life-changing journey and unleash the power of gratitude, I highly recommend The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. It's a book that will uplift your spirit, change your perspective, and bring more joy and abundance into your life. That's it for today's episode of Book Vibes. I hope you enjoyed this review of The Magic. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know if you've read this book or if you're planning to. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future book recommendations.